Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Lizzie here. If you're new, please do make sure to subscribe. Today I have an unwind video with me of my nighttime routine. The first thing I do, I just make sure I get the living room in order so that we wake up to a tidy living room the next day. And yeah, it's you can see me doing all of this, and then in a few minutes you'll see Madam, my daughter. You'll see her walk past me, and yeah, like you can see, she just completely goes over there and just unravel everything. But it's okay, we move. This is me just getting ready to set the mood for dinner. I'm just gonna have dinner on the sofa and watch a little bit of Netflix, and yeah, give baby girl some food as well, because she, look at her waiting. She likes to just eat as well, even though she's already had her dinner. But she likes to eat off mine as well, but it's all good. But yeah, we just chill out for a bit and before we go upstairs. So after we make our way upstairs and I get changed into my nightwear, I'm just showing you the products that I'm going to be using on my skin for bedtime. I first cleanse my face to get my face ready for the products I'm going to be applying on it. So after cleansing and getting my skin prepared, I go in with my products, my moisturizer, my serum, eye cream, oil, and everything, just to prepare my skin for bedtime. Because at the same time, we've got to keep our skin, our face looking right and healthy, and that's what it's all about. After that, I just get in bed, grab my laptop, and turn on the TV and watch something on Netflix. Most likely, I continue watching the program I was watching downstairs and just watch it upstairs instead. And I basically, because my business is going through a rebranding process right now, so what I do on the laptop, I just go onto my website and start redesigning and rebranding and continue the process of that, getting my business ready for our launch on the 1st of January 2023. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to see something more like this, do let me know in the comments. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye.